How to use Google AI Studio for research. Google AI Studio is a free web-based platform. It allows researchers to interact with the Google's Gemini models for data analysis, long document summarization, and research tool development as well. So what you want to do is first thing first, you want to access aistudio.google.com. Now here, users can upload thesis, textbooks, or research paper, PDFs as well, from the device or Google Drive to find the key theme. And user can analyze text, audio recording of interviews, images of charts, or even YouTube links as well. The code executions feature allows the AI to write the run Python code for calculations or data visualization as well. So here basically the instructions is to go ahead and use any of these, whether you could go with chat with models and type in the prompt, make sure the prompt is clear and easy to understand, and that's how you could use Google AI Studio for research. So with that, we've come to an end. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.